Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to be seeing the new Brawler Colette and all the news that we have. So, number one, the new Brawler Colette does 35%. I'm sorry, I don't have the clips. I tried, but I just couldn't get it. I'm sorry though. But I can tell you everything we know and give you a pretty good image. The new Brawler Colette does a straight shot, which is 9 tiles, and that's pretty good. So, what it can do is she shoots a straight shot, and when it hits the enemy, did you see that max? He had 54 HP, right? That doesn't count because I think the Colette has a minimum amount of damage. So I'm guessing that's 300, depending on the place. I mean, there's no way it's less than that, so that would be absolutely ridiculous. Come on, like 200 damage per shot. I don't think any brawler does that. Yeah. Oh, beautiful goal. So this Colette is going to be the best brawler to play against Frank, and here is why. Let's say the Frank has a star power, and so that's 10,000 HP, 3,000 damage per shot. That is literally overpowered. That can make Colette do even more damage than trick shot again. Even more damage than this one. What do you call that? Nani. So when Nani was released, per shot, if all 3 hits, she did way too much damage. But she had, wait, I'll just show you. I have so many brawlers, I'm rich. So her shot is something like this. I'm sure all of you know, but you only get off that 3,000 damage, and this is also when your Nani is maxed. So you see that circle, only if that thing hits, you get off the 3,000 damage, or you just don't. 875, 1,000. I mean, I'm not saying that is bad damage, but you know, if you need the 3,000 damage, you gotta do some good stuff. You need to be a pro at Nani, or you need to be lucky enough to have some stupid Rosa charging at you. You know, that always happens. Oh, she's using a gadget. Okay. What are you blaming me for? Okay, that was a fail. The next update is we got many new skins. We got a cool El Primo skin, a Poco skin, a new skin, of course, for Colette. 2625 is pretty good. Hopefully the Tara can stop it. Pass it, bro. Pass it, bro. Okay, I think someone can get this golden. Hopefully. Oh shit. Okay. God. Are you kidding me? Okay, sorry guys. Get back to the topic. A new Brawl Pass is called Star Park. You would of course know that while watching all the other videos. Oh, whoa. Oh, I got the 2,625 damage right on time. Woo! Okay, hopefully Tara broke the... Of course she didn't break their base. Come on, stupid Tara. So the next Brawl Pass is gonna be called Star Park, which with 2 R's, and I don't know, man. It's a pretty good season. At least that's what I feel. Woo! Double kill. Okay, so new Brawl Pass is going to be called Star Park. Has, of course, 70 tiers, just like the previous one. Although, I gotta say, I hope there's going to be, you know, at the first season, which was the Gales one. What was it called? I don't actually recall. Wait, the second one was Summer of Monsters. Whatever the first one was, it has 60 tiers. Second one, 70 tiers. I was just hoping that maybe the third one would have 80, but it still has 70. It's pretty good, not complaining or anything. But the best part of this update, old maps are coming back. I literally cannot tell you how long people have been begging for this update to happen. It finally did. The map that I hope's come back is Rockwall Brawl. I mean, who didn't like that, right? You could just make so many players, so many boxes, that too right next to spawn. So that's really cool. Mortis is annoying me. Okay, guys. So we have many different skins, and the best part for every F2P is that you're getting a pin pack free, in the free season. That's pretty cool. You don't need to waste 50 gems. And guys, I'm an F2P, so if you want the Brawl Pass, you would have been smart enough to save up every single gem you got in the previous season. If you did that, then you can buy this Brawl Pass. Once you get to about tier 60 or something, you can buy the Brawl Pass. That's gonna be super cool. I saved up Surge's season. I know when it was Gale's, my dad kind of just let me gem, so he let me gem exactly 170 gems so I could buy it. And that mod is just whatever. Okay, nice roll. So my dad let me gem. I just couldn't get the second Brawl Pass. But I saw this option just today. I didn't notice it before. There's this thing called previous season which takes you back to any season you missed. That's gonna be really cool. And so hopefully I'm gonna see if that Brawl Pass is actually better than this one. Because I mean you get a wait, what? How did she score? Sour Cream, you suck. I'm gonna see if that Brawl Pass gives you more stuff, and if it does, then well, I'm gonna go buy it. That's gonna give me like 70 different rewards, and that's gonna be awesome. So I think we pretty much covered everything. Although if Colette doesn't have a minimum, that is gonna be the worst thing this game ever said. No, just think about it. No minimum damage. So what? Someone has 5 HP and you deal 1.75. Wait, am I right? I think I am. Hopefully I am. Got the kill. I'm gonna post this. Okay, that's the second goal. 3 seconds remaining. That was awesome. That pretty much covers up the update. Really sorry I couldn't show you all the plays and stuff, but Colette's gonna be pretty good. She's gonna be available on tier 30. You're also gonna get a pin pack in the free season and a pin pack in the Brawl Pass. So that's gonna be awesome, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. And always remember, Ani knows.